Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add or link bank account on your Venmo. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So then let's get started. So first thing first, you have to log in into your Venmo account. As you are logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page, and in the bottom right corner of the screen there is a dollar icon. You have to tap on it. So after that, you have to tap on the gear icon located in the top right corner. Once you tap on the gear icon, you'll be directed to the settings page, and under settings you have a multiple option, and from there you have to tap on payment methods. As you tap on payment method, there are two different options. So then you have to tap on the first one, that is add a bank or card, and as you tap on it there's a drop down menu. So from the drop down menu you have to tap on bank, and as you tap on bank, once again there's a drop down menu, and from the menu you have to tap on manual verification. And once you tap on it, next interface you have to enter the information that is asked in order to link or add a bank account. So first of all, you have to enter routing number, and after that you have to enter account number. And once you're done entering the account number, so once again you have to confirm account number by retyping it, and after you're done, tap on save and continue. So once you're done adding a bank account to your Venmo account, you have to check your recent transaction within 2 to 3 days. So after that, you have to verify your bank account. So in order to verify, you have to log in into venmo.com/verifybank. What you need to do is you have to sign in into your Venmo once again. So for that, you have to enter the mobile number, email address or username that is associated with your Venmo account. So after you're done entering the information, tap on sign in the bottom right corner. You have to enter the too small amount of deposit that has been deposited into your bank account. And once you're done entering the amount, you have successfully linked your bank account to your Venmo. So that is how you can link your bank account to your Venmo account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.